And then after that I will set let's say set max ammo, and this will be minus, so that would be integer minus integer. Now this has to deplete the max ammo, right? So that's why we have the integer minus integer. So we have to take the clip size away from the max ammo. So this is going to be max ammo, and this is going to be the magazine size. I like that. Okay, so pretty simple, or maybe not. You'll definitely get it once we move along. So we have, once the function is called, we're looking whether the ammo is equal to the magazine size, and if it's not equal to the magazine size, then we're checking whether the max ammo, which is 100 right now, is greater than equal to the magazine size, which is 25. So during the first reload, it's always going to be true because max ammo 100 and magazine size is 25, so 100 greater than 25. It's going to come here, and then it's going to set the magazine size. It's going to set the ammo to whatever the magazine size is, and the magazine size is 25, so the ammo is going to be 25. All right, this is after all the, this is once, only when you hit the reload a weapon or the R key. And once that's taken care of, now you have to take max ammo. Now you have to take away from the max ammo, that is the 100. So you are decrementing, or you are taking away the magazine size from the max ammo, that is, you're taking 25 away from 100. So that will be so that max ammo will be left with 75. And it keeps on going, and it keeps on hitting here, and then it checks here, and then it sees whether the max ammo is greater than magazine size. So if it is, max ammo is indeed less than that, or even equal to that, if max ammo is 0 and magazine size is also 0, then it hits here, comes to the false condition, and then it sets the max ammo set to the max ammo, which would be kind of 0, and then also max ammo set to 0. As simple as that. Right, so I'm going to compile this and save this, and when I hit play, obviously you're not going to see anything other than ammo as 25, which we changed that, but we'll have to make those changes inside the HUD as well. So I'm going to close the weapon and everything else, and the weapon base is okay. I'm going to look for my widgets, and I'll be modifying my HUD. Now this is ammo. Now if I want, I can actually maybe bring this up a little bit. Okay, all right, and I think I should be if I can look for the translation, I'll move it up a bit like that. That is minus 68. I'll just say minus 70. Okay, and I'll do the same thing for this, and this is the text ammo, and minus 70. There you go. And next up, what I should have done, that I should have not done this, and instead I should have moved the overlay. I'll just hit Control Z, and there you go. So I'll just move this, and maybe I'll just move this up a little bit. The position Y is minus 44. I'll just move this out here. All right, so that should take care of the ammo, and I'll add two more. So I'll add one more label, and I'll call this copy, and I'll paste this, and this will be called txt label max ammo. This is just for testing this, and of course this can be translated down out here. Okay, and this can be called max ammo. This is the font. Where is the text? Yeah, there you go. Max ammo. I'll just add max ammo. All right, and of course we have to add a text as well. That was just the label, so I'm going to hit copy, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to say paste, and this will be text max ammo, right? And this will be the same Y as this. Maybe I'll just move. This is 53, so I'll just make this 55. Okay, and I'll also make this as 55. Okay, and of course this can be 0 or 100, 120, 150. All right, great. And so that's 100. So let me make this to look like 100, 100. All right, that would be the max ammo, but anyways, I'll keep this as 999 just to check. So you have ammo and max ammo. Now I'm not going to worry about the color coding of the max ammo. We'll do that much later. But I'm going to look for this particular function, and I'm going to look here, and I can close this for now, and maybe get armor bar. I'll close this as well. I'll close this as well, and I'll go back to my designer. I'll bind this as well, and I'll say create binding. Okay, this is going to be very similar to what we did there for the get text ammo. So first we're going to cast to player. So I'm going to cast to player. There it is, and the wildcard object in input bin would be get player character. Okay, and set that up here. All right, and then after that we need to get the current weapon as player. Say get current weapon. Okay, so once we have the current weapon, which means that we are accessing weapon base underscore BP, and we want to get the max ammo instead of, as in here we have the ammo. In this case we want to get the max ammo. So I just have to move this to the right a little bit, and we'll say get max ammo. There you go. And now if you connect this with this, it's automatically going to convert that, and everything is going to work just fine. Now when I hit compile, save this and go back here and I hit play, and now I can see max ammo as 25 and ammo as 25 and max ammo as 100, which is great. Now if I want to shift the positions a little bit, I can do that. In fact, I'll go back to the designer, and let's see the ammo label out here. No, label ammo. If I move this like this, maybe a little bit back. All right, great. And this one could be somewhere like 85, and this can be the same as text max ammo 150. So I'll make this 150. 150. There you go. So that should take care of that. And when I come back here, play the game, now I can see 25 and 100. Exactly what I want. Awesome.